Hello friends, as I was traveling from Mumbai to Alibag for a weekend holiday, and on my way I saw few village ladies. They were selling vegetable. I just stopped and I saw that they were having this Pahadi Kheera, which we call cucumber in English. As I am from Uttarakhand and a Kumaoni, I got tempted to see this Pahadi Kheera, which is called cucumber. So today I'll be making the Pahadi Raita from this Pahadi Kheera. So this is a DIY for all of you. So please come with me. I'll show you how I'll make the Pahadi Raita. Now let's make the Pahadi salt for the raita. So here is a silbatta which you have to use it, and the ingredients are the salt, the yellow mustard seed which is called rai, and it gives a very good tinge to the raita, and you have to add green chilies, and you can add according to your taste, garlic, and the main ingredient for the Pahadi Raita is the haldi, which we call turmeric, because we in Uttarakhand use turmeric for the raita. And to enhance the taste, you can add some coriander leaves. Now I'm going to grind it in this silbatta. As you can see, all the ingredients I have put in the silbatta. Now I'll be adding little bit of water and I'll grind it with my hand as our grandmother used to do. Grinding all these ingredients in the silbatta enhances the taste of the raita. After grinding, you will have a fine paste like this. Now I'll cut the cucumber into two pieces like this. I have taken out the seeds and I have split it into two pieces. And this is the kaddukas. So till now I don't know why it is called kaddukas, but with the help of this I'll be grating the cucumber in this way. Now I have grated the cucumber. Now you have to squeeze this grated cucumber like this to take out all the water of the cucumber. Now I'll be adding the curd in the cucumber which I have grated it, and then I'll be adding the Pahadi salt to it. Now I'm mixing it properly, all the three ingredients. Now the Pahadi Raita is ready. We in Kumaon have this Raita with pakodi and aloo ke gutke. I hope that you all must have liked the simple recipe of this Pahadi Raita and you will prepare at home. And please do write comment that how did you like this Pahadi Raita. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like and share this video.